ta kaloi da na gai me lo thuan thongku the sai kagan gai gan mai ting me ko khangni lu swan khang kagan ti lo pu mai khang ta sai I risolo nu mai lu hai John chapter 4 verse 1 to 42 kau Samaritan mai pui akhat ri pa mai Jesus Christa ta encounter sunat la lo kan mai peri ta mai goina ko share lo khang te Puba mai Jesus Christa khani Samaritan mai pui kanai dui khun kho ariu nung tai mi gan kho tai mi pui hai she was someone society avoided kumong khonsni puba mai Jesus Christa to kata reject sulo kan mage katong past failure mistake ka goi thaingam khonsni kata avoid sulo mangna ka khang ring mai dui ti lo kan ne kumna mi pui ta ring mai dui la tau kan mai tang dai ka mai goi na kho katong testimony sna share sa kan ne kumna asai ni mi tong lu rui mai goi na kho atong testimony khat sna share sulo khang the ke the woman at the well I heard a story from the Bible when I was just a little girl about a broken-hearted woman who met the Savior of the world. Thought it was just another story, one that the preacher man would read. But as I'm sitting here at home, drinking red wine all alone, I think that woman might be me. 'Cause tonight I feel just like the woman at the well, wondering how someone could love me when I can love myself. But you want me as I am, and that sounds crazy. I guess maybe that's why grace is so amazing. Staring at that empty bottle, I swear I caught a glimpse of him. He met me right there at the bottom and turned that wine to living water and taught me how to love again. Yeah, tonight I feel just like the woman at the well, wondering how someone could love me when I can love myself. But you want me as I am, and that sounds crazy. I guess maybe that's why grace is so amazing. It's no longer just a story when I read it, 'cause I've seen him for myself and I believe it. 'Cause tonight I feel just like the woman at the well, wondering how someone could love me when I can love myself. But you want me as I am, and that sounds crazy. I guess maybe that's why grace is so amazing. Just like the story from the Bible, how when I was just a girl, I'm the broken-hearted woman who met the Savior